How you doing, YouTube? Today we're going to do a start of a 1936 International Harvester stationary engine. Basically used pumping water or anything that you needed, belt driven. Picked this up at a swap meet a couple years ago, and it's just been a really good motor. Haven't done a whole lot to it, regular maintenance. You always make sure you oil these up before you start them. Anyhow, thought I'd just do a little quick video of this tonight. Maybe I can do a more in-depth one later on if you want. But for now, let's start this up and let it run for a few minutes. Get you guys situated over here. Yes, I'm still new to this. Trying my best. A lot of people refer to these as hit-and-miss engines, but they're actually throttle governed. This hasn't been started for a couple weeks, so I'm going to choke it a couple times. I'll come over here so you can see a little bit better maybe. This is the choke. 2 fingers down. I'm going to turn it over a couple of times just with the choke down to prime it. Water-cooled engine. This is a hopper full of water. A little bit antifreeze so it doesn't freeze in the winter. That's the coolant for your motor. Engine. And there you have it, folks. It's a 1936 International Harvester. Yeah, just a cool old engine to have. Be nice to make something, put it on, to use it. I'm going to start it up one more time and leave you with that. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Have a good day. Good night. Take care. Thanks for watching. Take care.